Hey there, YouTube creators. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, today I'm diving into the top ways to make money on YouTube in 2024. First up, AdSense. It's the classic way to earn. Get your channel monetized and every view counts towards those sweet ad dollars. But remember, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year to qualify. Next, let's talk about sponsorships. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products, and it doesn't matter if you're a niche channel. Micro-influencers are hot right now. Just make sure to reach out to brands that align with your content. Authenticity is key. Merchandise. Selling your own merch is a fantastic way to monetize. T-shirts, hoodies, mugs. If you can brand it, you can sell it. Use platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop to get started without any upfront costs. Don't forget about memberships and Patreon. Offering exclusive content to your biggest fans can create a steady stream of income. Think about behind-the-scenes footage, early access to videos, or even personalized shout-outs. Fans love feeling like they're part of an exclusive club. Affiliate marketing is another goldmine. Partner with companies and promote products you genuinely love. When your viewers make a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, but there are tons of affiliate programs out there. Live streaming has also become a major revenue stream. Platforms like Super Chat and Twitch allow your viewers to donate money during your live sessions. Plus, it's a great way to interact directly with your audience. Finally, don't underestimate the power of course creation. If you're an expert in something, package that knowledge and sell it as an online course. Websites like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to get started. So there you have it. From AdSense to online courses, these are the top ways to make money on YouTube in 2024. Remember, consistency and authenticity are your best friends on this journey. Keep creating, keep innovating, and the money will follow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.